Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you are watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, this is just a kind of thank you video because we have completed our Sophos XDR series. Okay, and in this particular series, I have covered your Sophos Central, endpoint protection, server protection, as well as threat analysis center. Okay, which is actually heart of our Sophos XDR. So by watching entire series, I got lots of your comments. Okay, these are very some people are very thankful, some people have sent as always emails, telegram, whatsapp. So I really wanted to thank you all because my always agenda is guys to teach each and whatever things are possible from my side. Okay, and I'm really happy that based on your response I got to know that this entire series is really helping you, because this is the first time I have uploaded XDR product videos on our channel. Now guys, since our series is already been completed, so some of the videos may get restricted. Okay, and this exclusive video will only be accessible to members of the channel. Okay, and if you don't know how exactly you can become member, the process is very simple guys. You can just visit my the homepage of Technical Spark channel on the YouTube, and when you click on that very first link on the homepage, you will be directly redirected to the our membership page. Okay, and with insider membership you will get access to each and every restricted videos. Okay, we have somewhere around 7, 8, 9, 10 series available. Okay, and with this single membership you will get access to all the videos, and I can bet you guys nobody is providing you multiple product knowledge within a single membership. So this is actually life-changing membership, and I really want you guys to become a member so that you will get exclusive knowledge of all the products. And guys, if you are connected with me on Telegram as well as always reading the community post on our YouTube channel, then you may know that from last 1 week or 7-8 days I have already raised one poll to decide the next series on which product we want to create videos. So I really want you guys to participate in that particular poll, and this particular poll is only open for the pro and VIP members because these people are having higher membership level. So that is the reason I'm always giving the first priority to them. Also, I have already requested interest of the people to in the Telegram channel, but due to lower audience I haven't got enough response. So that's the reason I have moved shift that particular poll to YouTube. So hopefully all you guys will join and participate and just share your response, which product you are interested in, so that I can start video as soon as possible. Okay, so that's it guys. This is just a thank you video from my side for showing all your love and providing the valuable feedback on all the videos, as well as over the Telegram, WhatsApp, email. So I really thank you all again, and that's it guys. So let's catch up in the next series. And one more thing guys, a couple of people were asking me to arrange a giveaway, so I'll just keep this particular section or things open to all you guys. What exactly you are expecting from my side in as a gift in a giveaway, then please let me know. So once the this particular thing is finalized based on your comment, okay, then probably very soon within a 1 month or 2 months I'll plan I'll share the condition accordingly. The applicable people will get their product. So thanks for watching guys. This is Sohan signing out. Bye bye.